Here we go. Your full weather is brought to you by Varney Chevrolet. Come see what the Varney value is all about. Let's talk about temperatures today. It sure felt like summer, didn't it? With highs back in the upper 80s for most of us, except for down east and coastal areas. Saw highs back in the 70s. Very refreshing air across those areas. But we're going to crank up the heat again. In fact, most of us have high temperatures in the 80s for as far as the eye can see right now, especially into the weekend and probably beyond that, as the long-range trend keeps a really lot of heat across the Midwest and the Great Lakes. And for us, this is looking into the end of July, July 31st, with above average temperatures, the average high being low 80s. This could give us a couple of 90-degree temperatures again later on next week. Okay, the drought monitor has been dry, of course, across the West for decades, but we could use some rainfall. We're getting some rainfall out there right now. For us, this is level 1 and level 2 of drought conditions, so it's not severe. However, it's noticeable, right? Your garden could use some rain. We're getting that rain out there now. It's soaking in very nicely. The rain will end tonight, but likely be back as a couple of thunder showers tomorrow, very widely scattered though throughout the afternoon. Here's the rain showers out there now, and there's nothing severe in here, but there are a couple areas of heavy rain that will likely continue for several more hours tonight into tomorrow morning before it gets out of here, and then there could be a couple residual showers across the area tomorrow. And this is quite an impressive surge of moisture headed our way, likely taking several hours to get out of here tonight into tomorrow morning, and it's going to be a very nice day tomorrow afternoon, and then likely getting in here Wednesday into Thursday. Futurecast shows the heaviest rain leaving here by say 2, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning, and then this model wants to give us some sunshine by 11 o'clock. That could be a stretch, although there could be a couple isolated thunder showers in here too later on tomorrow afternoon. So the rainfall will look something like this, a widespread soaking rainfall happening out there right now. We need it, we're getting it, where most places will probably see an inch of rain. A couple of you could see closer to 2 inches of rain before we get into Tuesday afternoon. So get ready. It's going to be kind of a bumpy ride tonight with some locally heavy rainfall and then some locally dense fog, especially if the sky is clear for a couple hours later on this evening. Dense fog is likely into the commute tomorrow morning. So our forecast then tonight though is showers and storms out there. Low temperatures or muggy low temperatures down near 70, not so low temperatures with that south wind that could gust near 20. And then for tomorrow, scattered showers and a couple of storms out there again, mostly through the afternoon. A couple of those could produce locally heavy rainfall as they're not going to move very quickly with high temperatures back up near 85. And then looking ahead, your 5-day forecast by Varney Chevrolet shows tomorrow 85. Wednesday back up in familiar territory, 88, 87 Thursday, a couple of thunder showers around. You get the idea, a very warm summer-like forecast into the weekend. Beth?